Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Chase. We're going to be covering Atom here today. Let's just mark out some levels real quick, okay? We had this previous top here that's been pretty confluent all the way across, okay? We could see it, then it flips to resistance here, right? We can see when we came down on that Saturday night crash, we took out this swing low here. We got a good bounce off that, but now we saw this rejection. Overall market, talking Bitcoin and ETH, looking, a little bit bearish at the moment, but, I haven't really done a ton of analysis on BTC and ETH today. I'm sort of just hanging out. Like I always say, if you haven't seen my portfolio management video, go check that out. I keep a fairly balanced portfolio, and when we were pushing towards, 59, 60, 65, or whatever we went to, I was taking some profits. I took a little on ETH today around, 25, 26. So, it's no big deal. I just keep the balance constantly flowing, and I'm not concerned whether up or down. If you're a real trader, you can play it either way. And, but for Atom here, I'll be looking to buy a dip. I'll show you guys where. So if we do see downside in the overall market, right? Because it's not just going to fall on its own, right? But if overall like BTC and ETH begin to go down, etc., then we're going to see all the alts sell off as well. So this is my area of buying interest. We can see right here, this was the consolidation before the large up move began, okay? And it was also previous resistance. So resistance, consolidation leads to the major impulse up. It served as support 2 times here, immediate wicks, immediate wick towards the top of it here. But ultimately, I'd like to see it run this low, okay? So I'll be keeping a close eye on that low right there at 14.786. And ultimately, a strong buy for me would be right around 13.5, 13.55. If it does come down. If it doesn't, we can look more short term, right? So let's zoom in here. We could see local support right in here. We're bouncing off it as we speak. Okay, so we're bouncing off this. If we do come up and we flip this level, then simple, we just play the breakdown level. Okay, so we'll look at, just mark this out right here. Price broke down in here. Origin of the impulse move down started right around here, 24.82. So if we come back up and we flip this, right? If we flip this, I'll look for the SR flip. Probably going to be some type of consolidation in here, right? So you probably come up above the level, right? Let me just clear this off. You probably come up above the level, right? Then you do something like this, and then do something like that. You bounce off, this consolidation and previous resistance area right here, right? And then you just scalp that long into here, okay? If we are to see that downside that I spoke about, it's pretty simple. I'll just be leaving bids in this area right below this wick. So I'll have bids all in here. Okay, so bidding all in this red box right here. Bids below this swing low and bids all the way towards the 13s. Sometimes you can pierce the level a tiny bit, perfectly fine, and then you get that retest. So here's the thing too: if you don't just want to leave bids, right? Although usually in a bull market, you don't get a lot of opportunities to buy if there's like big moves down. Like you saw how this wick left us behind, right? And you saw like some of these wicks too. But sometimes you do get price action where you wick through the level a little bit and then you come back and the retest of the actual level is like always a really good buy almost, and you can just put your stop right below there. Okay, so that's an option too. Either blind bids or play it like that. And I feel like if I get in from here, I'd probably be holding for quite some time, at least until we took out all those highs, at least. Okay, so that would be the move. All right, hopefully that was clear, everyone. Thank you very much, and have a great day.